Welcome to Chat with a PT. If you're joining us for the first time, here's a bit about us. We're a dedicated platform that delves into the intricate world of health and wellness, backed by rigorous research and expert insights. Our mission? To provide you with clinical knowledge, demystify medical facts, and guide you on a transformative journey of recovery and wellness. It's not just about information, it's about changing lives, one video at a time. Today, we're diving deep into the science of gut health, a topic that's been buzzing in the medical community, and for a good reason. Fermented foods. These aren't just tasty additions to our diet. Consuming yogurt and kefir introduces beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium species into our gut. These champions help balance our gut flora, playing a pivotal role in digestion and immunity. High-fiber foods. The gut's best friends. Whole grains like oats are packed with beta-glucans and arabinoxalins. These compounds are a feast for our gut bacteria. And beans and legumes? Their fibers ensure a smoothly functioning digestive tract and a thriving bacterial community. Prebiotic foods, the unsung heroes of gut health. Garlic and onions, rich in inulin and fructooligosaccharides, nourish and stimulate the growth of our gut's beneficial bacteria. Collagen-boosting foods, the gut's shield. Bone broth, brimming with collagen and amino acids, fortifies our gut lining, acting as a barrier against inflammation and potential invaders. Vitamin C-rich foods, the builders of the gut. Citrus fruits like oranges are bursting with vitamin C, a crucial component in collagen synthesis, ensuring a resilient gut barrier. As we navigate the vast realm of health, understanding the science behind our choices is empowering. So the next time you're at the grocery store, armed with this knowledge, you can make gut-friendly choices. We're always evolving, always learning. So, what topics intrigue you? Let us know in the comments. And for those hungry for more in-depth knowledge, our site and blog are brimming with insights. Together, let's embark on a journey to optimal health.